Welcome back to Home and Lifestyle TV. So summers in Texas can be brutal. We're going to teach you 5 ways to summerize your home with the help of our friends at CW Service Pros. Karen, thank you so much for helping us out today.
Definitely.
And we're letting our viewers know today the 5 ways to summerproof a home.
Okay.
So tell me the first step in summerproofing a home.
Definitely the first thing would be to maintain your system. So if you have an HVAC system here in Texas, you want to make sure it's cleaned. You want to make sure that you have changed the filters in it, that you've gone to the outside unit, hosed it down, make sure that you don't have any leaf built up in it. Make sure that it's ready to go for the season.
What a concept, right?
Right, exactly.
To actually check these things before there's a problem.
Definitely.
I love how proactive you guys are.
Texans are coming to realize that preventive maintenance is a lot cheaper than replacing systems.
So being new to Texas myself, I don't think I realized how much is involved and how much you really need that preventative home health care. Who wants to be in 110 degrees weather and we could have prevented it?
Exactly. Step 2 would be to check your plumbing system. Make sure you don't have any leaks.
Okay, that's very important. How do they determine if there's a leak or not?
Several different things they can look for. One, they may have a high water bill. So that would be one indicator there's something going on. They may have a green spot in their yard, just one area that's got a leak. They may have a gas leak and get a rotten egg smell. So if they smell that, that's an indicator they need to get that checked.
These are tips that are so great for homeowners to know. So if I think I have a leak, what's my next step?
Well, you would want to call a technician. Come out, they would take a look at what's going on and what you need to do about it. The next thing you want to do is you want to check your attic to make sure that you have adequate insulation. If you don't, then everything that you're trying to cool or heat in your home is going right out the roof. It's very common here in Texas. People do not have enough insulation in their homes. So it's definitely something that you want to have checked and make sure. It's just as important in the summer as in the winter.
So that sounds like an affordable fix.
It just makes dollars and cents for you.
Well, I love saving money. So what's our number 4 tip?
Indoor air quality.
So how would you come in and clean the air quality in my home?
What we could do is come out and we could install an air purifier in your home. So basically what it does is it goes in your HVAC unit and it basically turns your HVAC unit into a whole home filtration.
Oh my God, I love that.
So what it does is it actually puts things out into the air as it filters through, and it cleans not only the air but the surfaces where it lands on.
That's incredible. I've noticed here in Texas, my allergies have been crazy. There's a lot of allergens out there. Right. So this sounds like the perfect solution.
What this does is it helps with people with allergies, pet dander, it helps with dust, and it helps with any viruses that may be in your home.
Everybody needs this.
Definitely.
So it sounds like this air scrubber truly makes your happy home a healthy home.
Yes.
But there's still one final tip. What's the last tip?
The tankless water heater.
Oh, that sounds really great.
Homeowners love them. They get instant and endless supply of hot water whenever they want.
Oh, that's incredible. I need that because I have teenage daughters and they're always in the shower, so they're taking
Definitely.
up all my water.
The other thing is that if you have a water heater, say in the closet in your home, you can put a tankless in there instead and free up all that space for storage.
Oh, that's great, or for more clothes.
Exactly. And of course, it also saves you money.
And we love to save money.
We also have a club. We give priority service for any kind of emergencies they have, as well as some other discounts that we offer as promotionals.
I love the 5 tips we discussed. Everything is just so helpful to summarize a home here in Texas.
Oh, you're welcome. We love to help Home and Lifestyle TV, as well as helping the community.
Well, we love you and what you guys do. And thank you so much again, Karen, for all of your expertise.
Thank you so much for having me.
So if you're ready to get your home to be a happy and healthier home, be sure to call CW Service Pros and they will help you with all of your heating, cooling, and plumbing services.